What up, good people? It's Clinton from the Only Profits Academy. I actually just left the market with about 20 pips less than 30 minutes ago buying the Euryen. And what I'm going to do right about now is I'm going to sell the Euryen. There we go, guys. Um, I'll be attempting to leave the market with around 20 pips again. This is one of the advantages of trading on a smaller time frame and using my strategy. You get multiple profitable trading opportunities every day. So basically, there's a zone on the 4 hours time frame around 158.007. Um, with my experience trading the euro yen, I'm expecting this zone to act as some sort of resistance level, and marrying up this observation with my strategy, I believe the market will sell all the way down to 157.834, which is my take profit level. Basically, that's my thought process behind the trade. Um, the broker I'm executing this trade on is Mugan Markets. Go ahead and sign up with the link in the description and also get access to 100% deposit bonus. And going over my account history, this is the buy position I took earlier on, and I left the market with over $3,000 using this same strategy. So yeah, the market will go all the way down, or probably the market will go against me today. Time will tell. I'm going to pause the recording right now, and I'm going to get back to you guys in a bit. What up, guys? I'm back. As you can see, I'm in a 14 pips drawdown. I'm going to go ahead and take another position. There we go. I'm trying to take advantage of what the temporary buyers are doing to the market. When you understand the game, there's nothing to be scared about. My take profit price would be the same as the previous two positions I took earlier on. I actually made a mistake before I stopped the recording while I tried to modify the second position. But fortunately, I came back. But fortunately, it came to my attention and I rectified it. So yeah, once again, the market will close below 157.834. As you can see, I'm just trying to take advantage of the drawdown, and let's see what the market has in store for me today. Yeah. All right, guys. As you can see, we have over $3,000 right in front of us. Price is about 2 pips away from our take profit level. I'm going to close all my positions soon enough, but you can check the chart later on, and the euro yen will definitely close below 157.834, or probably even go lower than that. This is the most effective strategy I have ever come across in my entire life. As long as you follow the rules and guidelines, it is only right that you leave the market with profit. For the purpose of this video, I'm going to go ahead and close my positions right about now. There we go, guys. Over $3,000 locked in. And with this, I have made over $6,000 today buying and selling the same currency pair with the best strategy on the planet. It's almost like I'm playing around the market and still making money. You can keep watching these videos from the flames of your blown accounts, or decide to make the necessary sacrifices that will change your trading game. Like the video if you enjoyed seeing live trading action like this, and subscribe to the channel so you can get to see more videos like this. And don't forget, guys, trade safely. Cheers.